DGM is a worldwide network covering 6 continents with offices in more than 25 countries. This network is recognized by governments and international organizations such as the International Air Transport Association, the World Cargo Alliance, the Dangerous Goods Logistics Alliance, the Dangerous Goods Advisory Council, and the Council on Safe Transportation of Hazardous Articles. After more than 25 years, DGM is bigger and stronger than ever, and we can proudly say that among our clients are the top leaders of key sectors of our society: medical, oil and gas, nuclear, air transport, maritime transport, chemical industries, pharmaceuticals, freight forwarders, automotive, energy providers, road transport companies, aerospace and aviation, and public administration.
In 1987, DGM's founding father, Frank Pettyon, saw an opportunity to offer professional expertise to the industry to solve the complex and conflicting regulations for the transport of dangerous goods. Pettyon's early career was in the airline industry, where he eventually left to start his own forwarding company based in Amsterdam. Once it was well established, he left the forwarding business to his son and began to concentrate full-time on the development of DGM initiatives. Today, DGM has established a reputation in the field of dangerous goods management and training. With a network of training schools accredited by IATA, DGM has contributed greatly towards creating safety awareness for transport and handling of dangerous goods shipments. Sadly, our founder, Frank Pettyon, passed away October 30th, 2006. However, his compelling vision continues to guide the growth and development of the DGM network around the world.
DGM, based out of Houston, Texas, located near Bush Intercontinental Airport, has been servicing the transport industry since 1997. To meet the needs and requirements of our current and prospective customers, DGM has set up several facilities in the Houston area. DGM's roots are in the oil and gas operations. Historically, exploration companies were often handicapped by conflicting interpretations of the international rules when tendering their dangerous goods cargo for transport. These rules are continuously changing, so it's not easy for an organization to be sure that they're complying with all requirements. Often fines are assessed in millions of dollars. However, thanks to DGM's extensive knowledge and interpretation of the various dangerous goods transport regulations, today these handicaps are considered a problem of the past. DGM rapidly expanded its services and is now consulted by many organizations for technical assistance, documentation, cargo inspections, packing and repacking of hazardous cargo, and training.
When it comes to transporting hazardous materials, perhaps the most important detail is the packing. As specialists in the field, DGM takes the time to properly classify the article or substance, package and label them, and prepare the transport documents, all in accordance with the applicable transportation regulations. Our extensive knowledge of hazardous materials, along with superior packaging product, allows us to meet all the requirements for your hazardous materials shipments. DGM not only classifies, packs, and documents dangerous goods in accordance with applicable regulations, but also assumes all relevant legal liability thereof. DGM carries comprehensive liability insurance policies, which allow DGM to be shown as the shipper on behalf of the actual shipper on the shipper's declaration for dangerous goods.
In addition to our dangerous goods packing services, DGM has expanded to include general export packing and crating for your non-hazardous materials. This includes a wide array of packing services, such as custom boxing and crating, ocean container loading and stripping, consolidation, storage, and documentation. Using only quality materials and experienced packers, DGM builds superior crating that protects your shipment long after it reaches the final destination.
DGM provides project cargo packing services for freight of all sizes. We manage a vast range of projects, including rigging and dismantling, manufacturing equipment, industrial cooling systems, modular factory components, skid-mounted industrial process systems, generators and turbines, oil field pipe, and heavy equipment. Our project management team can prepare your freight for break bulk shipment, design custom crating, container loads, flat racks, or open top. For large, out-of-gauge cargo, we pack and store your freight in our laydown yards. Our 3-acre concrete laydown yard is secured for the handling, storage, and packing of any out-of-gauge cargo. Our facility is fully fenced and maintained with 24-hour recorded security system. At DGM, we do it all.
DGM is a diversified packing company equipped with mobile units and crews of packing professionals. We have the ability to mobilize to any location to ensure that every aspect of your shipment is professionally packed in a timely fashion. Our on-site packing experts have over 15 years experience, specializing in keeping your goods as safe as possible, no matter how fragile or cumbersome they happen to be. DGM has the proficiency to pack things other companies won't even touch.
DGM offers in-house services to our customers in order to free them of the daily hassles of warehousing, carpenter work, and freight processing. This service allows us to operate in their warehouse facility and tailor the cost structure such that both parties improve their respective profitability. Through a structured agreement, our prospective warehouse customer can focus on the strength of their business. In essence, we become their facility business partner, yet remain an independent party, and in doing so, adding an extra layer of security. Once in the warehouse, we can handle the fluctuations in workload by redirecting personnel into the facility from our current staff.
Knowledge is vital, especially when it comes to the transportation of dangerous goods. In fact, the U.S. DOT requires both initial and recurrent training for any and all hazmat employees. DGM is recognized worldwide as the leader for training services by many global organizations such as International Air Transport Association, IATA, and International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. DGM Training Institute has internationally qualified instructors that develop and conduct training courses designed to meet the general awareness, familiarization, function-specific, and security training requirements for all personnel, such as IATA, Air Freight Training, IMDG Sea Freight Training, a wide range of general awareness courses, and specific courses, such as radioactive, explosive, or battery training. Through both classroom and on-demand courses or webinars, thousands of professionals are trained by DGM every year around the world. In fact, DGM Training Institute can conduct all the required training courses in your company's locations, anywhere in the world, in all major languages. DGM makes it easy for you to comply with regulatory requirements for health, safety, and hazardous materials management. Our job is dealing with dangerous goods, navigating the applicable legislation, safety guidelines, standards, and codes of practice. Having over 30 years of knowledge and training, DGM is known for their superior advice on how to handle and transport chemicals and other potentially hazardous materials.
DGM Software Development Group, DGM SDG, is the electronic solutions provider of the International Dangerous Goods Management Support Group. DG Office is our online dangerous goods software solution that is a module-based platform to support all your dangerous goods-related activities. DG Office can be tailored to your needs through its module-based setup. In case you expand your business in the future, you always have the option to add additional modules within 5 minutes. DGM has implemented C2C Online as its solution for inventory management, managing project-based materials, as well as access to online real-time reporting.
DGM is known as the world's leading global provider of knowledge, services, and products related to dangerous goods, and has an expanded scope of services to accommodate any and all types of product lines. Staffed with DG specialists, we can achieve the safest possible solution for each individual consignment. Our experience is not limited to individual air, ocean, road, or rail consignments, but any combination thereof. Each mode of transport has its own series of rules and regulations that must be met. By outsourcing to DGM, you can make your people more productive, your organization more efficient, and your business more competitive. Our focus on operational excellence means you'll get consistent quality across your operations. Quality and safety are a big part of our culture, and we invest substantial time building consistent processes and training to achieve our goal of zero recordable incidences. DGM, dedicated to helping customers comply with the rules and regulations and the promotion of safety. Dangerous Goods Management. DGM. Our business is taking the danger out of dangerous goods.